There could be more trouble in store for Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal after Enforcement Directorate's arrest and subsequent custody of 6 days granted by the Special Rouse Avenue Court. The Central Bureau of Investigation is now looking at the possibility of demanding custody of Arvind Kejriwal once ED is done with its custodial interrogation. Now, in April 2023, for almost 9 hours, CBI had questioned Arvind Kejriwal. We were told by sources that he was asked specifically about everything that Manish Sisodia had told the CBI. So questions were put to Arvind Kejriwal back then about where the missing files connected to the excise policy, where was he aware about how this decision was taken, how was the group of ministers really formed, and the deliberation happened between the GOM that finally led to the draft excise policy in which a 12% profit was assured to those who were earning the licenses. So to all these questions, we were told Arvind Kejriwal in April 2023 had told the CBI that he was not aware, since the concerned minister was Manish Sisodia, and it was only he who was handling this entire subject. But now with the Enforcement Directorate moving in and calling Kejriwal the kingpin and the mastermind of this particular case, that's what ED's remand application in the Rouse Avenue Court on Saturday said. There is enough ground for CBI also. Why are the two agencies investigating this case? CBI is looking whether a corruption act was committed. He's the sitting chief minister of Delhi. All these decisions were taken by his cabinet colleagues. So under the PC Act is a case made out against Kejriwal. That is what the CBI is examining. ED is alleging money laundering. What ED is alleging is that the kickback of about 100 crore rupees that was allegedly earned from the South Group businessmen that were laundered by the Aam Aadmi Party, and because Arvind Kejriwal is the national convener of the Aam Aadmi Party, therefore he cannot escape responsibility. So under the Companies Act, the logic of vicarious liability, that is what the ED is spinning on Arvind Kejriwal. If an act of corruption has been made, that Kejriwal indeed, as ED is alleging, asked Vijay Nair to get in touch with K. Kavita, asked Vijay Nair to get in touch with the South Group, and Vijay Nair, it was on behalf of Kejriwal, was asking for 100 crore bribe. If this is true, then CBI feels that it has a fit case to register against Arvind Kejriwal, naming him, like ED has done, as the key conspirator as far as the corruption charges are concerned. So far, CBI has refrained in its charge sheet from naming Kejriwal in any manner other than just making a passing mention of Vijay Nair, saying that Kejriwal and he are close associates. ED has gone on to mention a FaceTime conversation also between South Group businessman Sameer Mahindra and Arvind Kejriwal, in which Kejriwal reportedly said that Nair is his boy. But other than that, there is not much that the CBI has mentioned or the ED has mentioned against Kejriwal so far. But now things are fast changing, and CBI is likely to ask for Kejriwal's custodial interrogation so that that agency also can ascertain if a case of corruption in the excise policy is made out against the Chief Minister of Delhi.